Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the horn in Nissan Sentra. It is located approximately in this area, and to access it we'll have to remove this plastic cover first. There are 9 clips that hold it in place. To remove these clips you need to pry this central part of the clip using the screwdriver and then pull the clip out. And basically we will repeat with the rest of the clips. After the clips have been removed, and there are 9 of them, you can simply lift up this plastic cover, and this is the location of the horn in our Sentra. You will see 2 connectors, the brown one on the bottom and the black one on the top. We'll have to disconnect them, so you'll have to press this button in the middle and press and pull the connector off. Same with the top one. Like this, and then you will see this bolt that holds the horn in place. We'll use 13mm socket to remove it. And this is our horn, guys. This is where the sound comes from. We have 2 connectors and this bracket that holds it in place. Installation is very simple. Align the bracket with the frame. Tighten the bolt and reconnect the 2 connectors. The black one goes on top and the brown will be on the bottom.